Hey folks, Chris here. Today I'm going to share with you 10 simple tips to help you maximize your fuel efficiency and save big on fuel. With the constant fluctuation of fuel prices, it's great to know how to cut down on those expenses. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1, accelerate gently. Driving aggressively and speeding up suddenly uses a lot of fuel. If you gradually increase your speed, your engine doesn't have to work as hard. For best results, take 5 seconds to go from a stop to 20 kilometers per hour. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Next up, avoid high speeds on the highway. Following the speed limit not only keeps you safer but helps you save on fuel. Driving at 120 kilometers per hour instead of 90 kilometers per hour can boost your fuel use by up to 20%. When conditions allow, use cruise control to maintain a steady speed and improve fuel efficiency. Tip number 3, watch the road ahead. Pay attention to the traffic and keep a safe distance from the car in front of you. By predicting their actions, you can maintain a steady speed and save fuel. Plus, it makes driving safer. Now let's talk about coasting to slow down. Braking uses up your forward momentum and wastes fuel. Instead of braking, try taking your foot off the gas and coasting to reduce speed. It's a smoother, more efficient way to drive. Tip 5, avoid idling your car. If you're stopped for more than a minute, turn off your engine to save fuel. An average car uses about 300 milliliters of fuel every 10 minutes it idles. So, keep your engine off when you're parked or waiting except in traffic. Next, remove any extra weight. Heavier vehicles use more fuel. An extra 100 pounds can lower your mileage by 2%. Take out items like salt, sand, sports gear, and any other items you don't need to save fuel. Tip 7. Take off your roof rack. Removing roof racks or bicycle racks when you're not using them can help improve fuel efficiency. Extra drag from these racks can increase fuel consumption by up to 20% on the highway. Use air conditioning wisely. Air conditioning can increase your fuel consumption by up to 20%. To save fuel, open the windows when driving in the city and use the car's ventilation system with the windows closed on the highway. If you need to use the AC, choose the recirculate option to reduce its impact. Tip 9. Check tire pressure once a month. Underinflated tires can result in higher fuel consumption. A 56 kilopascal underinflation might result in a 4% increase in fuel usage. Ensure that your tires are inflated to the proper pressure for your vehicle, which you can find on the tire information placard. Finally, make proper use of a manual transmission. Observe the tachometer to determine the ideal time to shift gears. The engine burns more fuel when the RPM is higher. So accelerate in the higher speeds and effortlessly transition through the lower ones. And there you have it, 10 tips to help you save big on fuel. Implement these changes, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your vehicle's fuel economy. Thanks for tuning in and happy driving.